Good day and welcome to the FX Warrior YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the top 10 indicators that you can find on TradingView. Now, these indicators are going to be comprised of a mix of indicators. We have confirmation indicators here, volume indicators here, moving average indicators, and so on and so forth, right? Okay, so let's get into it without further ado. Now, what I currently have on my screen is the SSL channel alert. I know a lot of you love this indicator. I've tested this indicator. Some of you haven't. But the aim of this video is not to tell you what indicators to use, but to give you a hint on where to find good indicators. Now, to get this indicator, first of all, you just have to click on the indicators tab on TradingView, and then next, you have to search for SSL channel alert indicator. Now, I'm going to be selecting this first one by ANAR, and yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be using. Now you can see we got the green and the red kind of stuff. I'm not going to be going over them too much because we have like 10 indicators to look at. But when the green is over, we buy. When the red is over, like this way, we sell. Okay, so it's just a basic confirmation indicator. Obviously, don't use it alone. The next indicator we're going to be looking at is another confirmation indicator, which is the average sentiment oscillator. I'm just going to add it on without removing the SSL. So just type ESO, or you can type average sentiment oscillator. You can see we got the absolute strength index, which is another one. I'm going to look at it next. So the average sentiment oscillator is a confirmation indicator. So this is like a secondary confirmation indicator, which you can use together with the SSL channel alert. And then when the blue is over the red this way, it's signaling a buy. And when the red is over, it's signaling a sell. You can also use the confluence of these to take good trades and know when not to take a trade. Okay, like right here, you might not take a trade right there. Okay, so this is another confirmation indicator. Now let me remove all of the indicators on the screen right now. I can remove this, I can also remove this. And the next one is the average. Oh, it's no longer average. I think, what was the name again? Absolute strength index. So you just type this way, absolute strength index. That's the third indicator, absolute strength index. This one by Dennis HR1, or you can select the absolute strength index by Lazy Bear. I think Lazy Bear have been putting out great indicators. They wouldn't give something that is not accurate, so you can also use the one by Lazy Bear. Let me just add the other one just to see how it looks, because you have different feel to this thing. You have to get the right feel. Okay, I think I like the one by Lazy Bear better than this one. This one is on your screen, which I do not like, and I don't even like the presentation. So your absolute strength index, I've used this on like MT5 and MT4, but I haven't tested it out on TradingView. So make sure you test this properly, make sure it doesn't repeat. Well, let's just say this is a bonus. I'm gonna just give you 11 indicators, but this one too works. It's quite simple. When it's green and over the middle line, it's a buy, and when it is below, it's a sell. It's just a confirmation indicator. And I'll personally use it as secondary confirmation and not my primary confirmation indicator. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to be giving you a moving average indicator next, which is the ALMA, or the anode Lego moving average. Now you can get that by typing ALMA, and then you choose this first one, anode Lego's moving average, which comes default with your TradingView. So I can easily just select this one right here, and I can also change the period to whatever I want. I could give it go to inputs. I could give a period of 200 or wherever I want. So this is basically how you do it. Very good. Now this is the fourth indicator, the anode Lego moving average. Okay. The next one is the Damiani Volat meter. So click on your indicators tab and type Damiani Volat meter. Select this one by Ricardo Santos. Okay. This one is very simple to use. Ignore the red line below. It's just a graphical representation of what this up indicator is already giving us. This indicator is used for knowing when the market is ranging. For example, like over here, when this white was over this line right here, it was just telling you, oh, right now the market is ranging. So from here down till here, the indicator was signaling to you that this portion of this chart was ranging. Does that make sense? Okay, that's just what it does. I'm not here to tell you all about the indicator. We're just giving the top indicators, and this one seems to fall under it. Now the next one is also a volume indicator, which is a normalized volume indicator. Normalized volume. I think this one by Sehon right here. It also tells us when the volume is okay. So basically all you need to ignore is any time that the market is having this red right here. Okay. See the period where all of this was red, all this red means there is low volume in the market and you probably be taking a loss. Even just by eyeballing this portion of the market, you can see that they were red here and you would most likely be taking losses during those times of the market. So basically avoid ranging markets, okay? And these indicators will absolutely help you to avoid ranging markets. How many years did I think there should be 6 now? Yeah, I think they should be up to 6. Okay, the next one is your PMO, and I'm just going to type that out. PMO, which is your price momentum oscillator, and you can select this first one by Everget. I can also type price momentum oscillator. It still works. I'm just going to click on it, and it is just a basic buy sell signal indicator, best used as a secondary confirmation indicator, which tells you when to buy and when to sell. I know you guys are not new to indicators, so you should easily be able to navigate and know how to use this. When the blue is above, like right here, it means that it's time to buy. And when the red is above, like right here, when the red is above, it's signaling for you to sell. But you have to obviously merge this to the trend to get the best time to use them. So that's a very good one. I think I'm forgetting a very, very, very good indicator, which is the ATR, the average true range. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about the average true range. Click here, type ATR. It comes default to TradingView, and it is just used for calculating your stop loss. Okay. So depending, you can see this red sign here changing. I wish I could zoom in on that. Depending on the value, that's how you're going to set your stop loss. Like right now, it's saying 3.7 pips. Different pip values, you just use it for setting your stop loss and so on. So that's the use of the ATR indicator. If you know, you know. The next one is the KEMA, K-E-M-A, which is a Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average, and you can select this first one by Everget. I'm just gonna click on it so you see what it does. It's like a moving average indicator, and you can also change the length. Let's maybe give it a 50. Let's see how that looks. So it just tries to outline when the market is currently trending and all of those fun stuff. Okay, now I'm going to remove it. The next one is the Aroon. I'm just going to click on here, A-R-O-O-N, the Aroon indicator, and I can just click on this first one, and this signals are actually flipped. At first I thought the blue was like when to buy, but the blue is when to sell, and then the red or the orange color is when to buy. So at this point, when this orange was up this way, it was telling us to buy. But there's a quick fix for this. You can just click on the Aroon here, click on the settings, and then just go to style, change this yellow to maybe a green, and then change this blue to a red. That way you can see when the next signals are coming up. Okay. Now the next signal is just your normal moving average. I know it's just a basic moving average, but you can just use your normal moving averages. We also have the triangular moving average if you like that, triangular moving average, and so on. I don't know if the indicators are now up to 10, but my aim for this video was to give you at least 10 of the indicators that I use in my day-to-day life. Am I forgetting anyone? Leave any good indicator you can think of in the comment section, and so other traders can easily catch up on those and use in building their own algorithm. That'll be all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.